Okay, Emeka. First of all, we could talk about the increment of tariff. A lot of people, they carry, they come say, within the past 6 months, it be like, so don't they notice subtle increment and all that. This one, what they want to do, now which kind of increment again? So how you see this matter?
Okay, government on the plan since, so then go increase tariff. You know, say from the one where they release for 2020, the minor review, and also they go increase them for January 2020, July 2020, then January 2021, July 2021, then January 2022, then for January 2023 again, then go increase them.
So step by step,
it's supposed they go up, because government they try to work towards what they call cost-reflective tariff. They say all this why whether they sell us, whether they give us power, then they sell them at below cost price. So all of it they lose money. But now they want to carry the money, they go up, so that somehow they go feel balance and make it be say the discos now go they make enough money to feed, invest inside infrastructure to build up the network. So that's what they look so. So government, if you look the matter well, look the basis on which they take the fixed tariff, you go find out say the thing where they plan. The thing where they plan where they go market, no thing they see as they go market. You know, sometimes when you go write list finish for house, as you enter market, what do you see for grand?
Especially recently.
Scatter your list. So government may plan say dollar to naira rate go be like 383 by 2020. If you enter market now to go buy dollar, you know how the thing take be. They like 5 cents. Then plan say inflation rates go be like 12.8%. Inflation rate now like 17.4 something %.
Even though say it don't come down, and
they come down, but so now all those things then they make them as they look them, they say, look, we know if we continue like this discos the fees collapse because then they make enough money. So make we increase them small. But I don't know whether in December they will actually increase them because the plan we government make sense now to increase them for 2021 January.
2021 or
2022. 2022. That will increase the next year January. By 1st of January, the tariffs will go up everywhere.
So the question why they ask and say the increment where people don't notice between January and now because the number of units of lights where they buy before for January for maybe with 10,000 naira not be the same units that they buy now. So it means that increment we don't notice from the January to now no matter.
It has them plan and since.
Oh, so all those subtle increments, man.
They don't. It's planned. They don't. NERC don't release other things for all those things. So nobody say this could they do and wayo. No.
So small,
government don't tell them to increase and things. So they increase them for July. Then go see increase again for January.
I beg, it be like say I go open phone line because it go good make country people full us put matter for this matter. I know say a lot of people they will get matter where they worry them for belly. I beg the phone lines you go there your screen now. Make it call us, tell us in case you get light wahala. Tell us first of all where you they come from. Which kind of lights they use? They use estimated billing, I've been a prepaid meter, I've been a postpaid meter they use. We go like no. Then tell us what be the light wahala where you they get and what be the question where you get for Oga light wahala nepawahala.ng. Make we hear from him. Ochuko, you get what you want?
Oga Nika, you know, so when it comes to light wahala, everybody for Nigeria, I believe say everybody gets 1 or 2 things where they want to put. In fact, when people go start to call you now, your body go tell you. So now, first of all, make we even look this meter thing. A lot of people, they don't shout since say they don't apply for meter. They not they get meter. Why some go say when they even go, this one they write free meter, others now bobo juice. Nothing like that. The Apple say they pay money before they get the meter. No, based on that now, federal government now don't talk say they go roll out 4 million. How clear that one day? It go really reach the people for free?
Yes. Then they roll out free meter. I know some people don't get their own meter free.
Free?
They don't pay anything.
They don't pay anything?
They don't pay anything.
A lot of people go call us.
I know some people
for different areas. Tell us.
But you don't hear of anybody will pay?
People they pay now.
Okay.
People
just want to know whether
but I say government they run 2 different schemes side by side. The free meter own and the what they call MAP, the meter asset provider scheme. So under MAP you go pay. Under this free meter you no go pay. You understand? So the one that I say at some point, government been done set up maps since 2018. They can't run them from 2019 or so. So people they pay for meter, they pay, but you know fit meet up. So government say okay, make we step in, help people, make we bring in free meter. So government throw free meter into the system, can't suspend map. But now wahala come burst for inside the map, for inside the
Which
3
kind
meter
of
thing.
wahala burst at first?
People, they go round.
Yes, we know say they go around. Even the area when I even dey. I know say we don't apply for meter up to the extent where we say we don't pay up to like 80-something thousand naira for double face meter.
Okay.
We not still get them. More than a year now, we still apply again. We never still get them. But may not be like now only we go to talk with our Yam shopping mart. A lot of people out there, I believe say they get the same word where they want to talk. I believe say you they hear me right now. For your area where you they pay for meter or how the power situation it be for your area. We get somebody where they already dey on the line. Now maybe we just take the
Kelechi, good morning.
Yeah.
Kelechi, good morning. How you dey?
Fine. All
right, put mouth for talk. How light wahala for your area?
My brother, I think greeting ourselves. Good morning for everyone.
Yeah, we salute you, Kelechi.
This one pass matter. I want to follow my brother waiting for studio. They talk. We say he won't add money. The one way they don't add, which we don't see. Secondly, the free pay they talking are free. Even the one who don't pay over a year now for my compound, we never see. They are so we go every day for NEPA. Come today, come tomorrow. Come today, come tomorrow. You don't feel from tire. The free prepaid, we don't even pay, we don't see. Light income, we don't see. If bill they come, my sister, a fast waiting trailer carry for inside.
Okay, which part of Lagos you they call from precisely? I would like to know.
Lagos, Ikorodu.
For Ikorodu, for Lagos. Okay.
Yeah.
We get another caller. We could take another caller before you go respond to that one. Hello, good morning. Hello. You be like say we don't.
We get Amos.
Amos, good morning.
Amos from Benue.
Amos, good morning. We don't lose Amos.
Okay,
so you want
like
react to waiting it talk.
You hear one word when he talk, I just pick it down word sharply. If they talk about the increment now, it just they rapid, they go up. But the power where people they get, the light people they get,
Never improve.
why not they improve? But Tarrif they improve.
My brother, the thing, the matter hard though. The matter hard. And I feel I'm pass for Lagos people because for the work what they do, now there are issues, now they plenty pass. For the platform was nepawala.ng, that's my blog. Now them food their pass. Their problem plenty. And the country like say government no they help, they just leave them make IE and the coal, they do them anyhow. The kind way when they hit them with estimated bill for this town, I don't understand it. And then government, the NERC no they do anything. They just leave them. They give person go say for inside face me, I face you. Go they summarize bill.
Just hold your thoughts 1 second. Make we answer this call.
Okay.
Hello, good morning. Dotun,
okay.
Dotun, good morning.
Hello?
Hello, good morning, Dotun. You dey hear us? Dotun, would they hear you? If you dey hear us, continue to talk. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, good morning. How you doing?
Yeah, am I calling that producer show in Wazobia Mart?
Yes, of
Yes.
course. Yes.
You dey here?
Hello?
They talk, would they hear
Yes,
you? You dey
go
live
on,
from Wazobia
go on,
Max.
Dr. We dey hear you.
Okay, I'm talking the record of the light issue.
Okay.
What you're doing from this thing. Okay, in terms of the prestige, I think in River State, they give us.
Okay, like say we go take another call
Dr.
when they
no
come
fit hear
from
you
Richard.
well.
We know the 2-year Dr. Way. Yeah, Richard, they online. Make we take Richard.
Okay, it be like say Richard said we don't lose a call.
is-
Make we take another call. Ishelua on the line from Lagos. Good morning, Ishelua.
Hello, Ishelua.
Good morning, Ishelua. How you doing?
Fine.
Okay, which side of Lagos you dey call us
The problem
from?
I'm having now.
Where you dey call us from for Lagos?
From Akute. From
Akute.
In Ogun State.
Okay.
Alagboli, Akute, very close to Ojodu.
Okay, you get prepaid meter for your house?
No, na estimate is a gift also. And we don't register for this prepaid meter since January.
But how the light situation dey there? And wetin be the bill? Wetin the bill dey like?
To our place. They said now 33 kVA. So they are giving us 2 days on, 1 day off. But the problem we face now is that last month they gave me 9,000 estimate. But now I'm paying 20,000 this month. It's done like times 2. That's why I might tell them, say, I don't want wahala. What I want is, let them come and disconnect me because I'm using only 4 bulbs in my house. My family no day. I can't pay 20,000. But what I tell them is for them not to cause wahala. They should bring this that disconnection order, receipt. The letter, when we write, the letter no work. When people don't write letter more than 2 years, they are still giving them estimate. I tell them, people are waiting for them.
Thank you. Thank you, Sholua. We don't hear part of what they talk. Say they give them 2 days in, 1 day out, and then the billing. Now another matter entirely. Anthony, they call us from Lagos. We could just gather the calls then.
No,
then we will respond. Anthony, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, my brother. Where for Lagos did they call us from?
I will call you from Oshodi Mafoluku.
Okay, I put mouth for talk.
Thank you, Auntie. God bless on our Wazobia.
Thank you.
I be on our fast well, but my number no they go.
Sorry. Tell us, you they use prepaid meter. I've been the other one is
prepaid meter. The meter NEPA. I don't pay tire. Even last month we passed now. From 34,000, we are 2 neighbors. From 34,000 now, they have reduced it to 28,000.
That is your estimated bill. Where did they give you?
Estimated bill. I don't know what they call it, yo. We have been passing through this wahala for about 3 years now. Okay, we say, okay, we want prepay meter. We call our landlord and the caretaker. They should come and assist us. They came in. They said we should go and apply for our own meter on ourselves. So what do? They say we should contribute money. We are 9 tenants in the compound. They say we should contribute 50,000 to fix 1 blackboard or 1 something. When I did, the money for the blackboard, the prepare meter, everything is with the agent happy today. So we are forced to go and meet the landlord again.
So Anthony, but online they said they never see deliver the meter to now.
Nothing, Auntie.
I don't gather money for them.
Okay. We don't gather money.
Thank you for that one because time no day.
You see everybody the boils down to one thing.
The problem too much because under the MAP law, as you pay for that meter, 10 working days. And the law talk.
For those where they pay.
If you pay 10 working days,
the people where they collect for free, how do they use
they go down do enumeration to know who and who they for any particular side. They go say, okay, we'll come map up, we'll come put the meter face by face. So they go face this side, put face this side, put them.
You think so? What will be the criteria to give free and payments? Sorry, one no.
No, the payments now. If you pay, they're supposed to come put for you. The free one that's in a face by face. They look at different areas.
When you reach your turn,
and they come put for you.
You feel say somewhere along the line, the free ones now they get to the people where they supposed to allocate and give. Because a lot of people say they complain, say they know they get them.
It's possible. For this our continuity is possible. Then if you allocate to some area, then carry things go put on another side. It's possible. But one thing I know now say the people they suffer.
Talking about this power, some people they say they're not they see light at all. They need to see light. But Gencos they talk say that they distribute enough. So how come discos they're not the fit distributor? Well, now where the lacuna the what will be the problem when make people not able to see light?
The problem na the distribution capacity. No be really, even though our generation know there as much as it should be. But when it comes to send the thing go all of us our house, the infrastructure they very, very poor. So and then because of this lack of meter, for the discos now to get the money where they supply, send back, no problem. Most of it they post on kind of they go say, okay, we give you 10 naira worth of Genco say we'll give you 10 naira worth of power. You can only collect money for 6 naira.
It did the time I've been here for news. Say some of these discos they talk say we know say lights where they supply from national grid they go. While our equipment they know too kaja to use push out the lights the level we're supposed to use push them out. If you say that one another factor.
If that one a big factor inside the matter.
So why you go to bill people when you know see you never get the right equipment to use give them the necessary light to
because
use
anyhow the people they don't get light. They don't get so they're supposed to pay for the
light.
light.
They don't get light.
They don't get light. So they're supposed to pay for the one where they use.
Now you think say the investors really enter this matter. Somewhere along the line, their hands they tied by federal government to not make they need to carry out the kind of work they're supposed to do in terms of the discos them, and the companies now region by region, blah blah. They suppose they supply. Now, at a time they complain, say even if government give them the license, say their hands they tied to the kind of bottleneck that they go through in between. Now make them not the fit distribute. I want me to throw more light to that because everybody they concerned with we won't get light. We won't get light.
The problem for the industry plenty. As far as me, I dey concerned, the government will be behind everything.
Okay, so what's be your last word? Because time no dey again, make we run come up.
My last word
be the last word you want to talk about this matter?
To solve this problem, government get to break this code monopoly. Because the reason why they need to perform well, now because it's only them.
Okay,
You
they get to break that monopoly.
Make them break them. But what they go feel break them, I'm not sure because the agreement to reach with them, if you not allow them to do it without paying heavy cost.
Okay. All right, in case you just joined us, you don't follow Elga Emeka Ojoko put smart for talk this morning. And now you be the Oga Pata for nepawahala.ng. Maybe when you go there, you go see Wahala. They won't ask you, say, make you talk as people will use reach you in case they won't ask questions. But be like, say, nepawahala.ng, they enough. Yes. May they follow for reach you. Thank you to everybody who don't make the show Kaja this morning. Thank you. As an follow sit down for inside the show this morning. To all our producers and all those we call us, when they try to call, we no reach us, we appreciate them. Well, when I hear now, go draw the curtain for inside the show this morning. My name now Precious Enyi. On top of social media, I'll be Precious Enyi Official for Instagram. Oga Emeka, thank you very much as you follow us, join. Ochuko.
Yes, and my name now Ochuko Omeragwa. You can follow me on top social media at Chief Ochuko. Tomorrow morning, join us again on top the Gudu Morning Naija show.